Hello, good everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to our closing of the week video. My name is Hussein. I'm back in to bring you all some updates. Well, let's just check on the economic calendar this week, what we have experienced and how this week has been. This has been week has been really good for the stock market recovery. And on Monday we had Bank of England Bali speak, so we had a little impact on the GBP. Also, we had GDP, which on from the year-on-year finally was in the green from euro, and the euro became stronger this week, and dollar was weak. CPI numbers were year-on-year was in line as expectation, but on energy and food it dropped a little. However, was still better than the previous month. Bank of Canada leave its monetary policy unchanged, and also ECB interest rate left its policy unchanged. Also, they highlight on buying more bonds, and also we had initial job discount which actually dropped compared to the previous levels, and also manufacturing activities from UK, and which will be published today, and we've got employment data coming out from Canada, which will be published today. On the other hand, guys, Joe Biden announced that he will direct states to make all adults aged 18 and up eligible for coronavirus vaccine by May 1. Biden, in his first primetime address to the nation, also said that Americans should hopefully be able to gather in small groups to celebrate of the 4th of July, right? So this is what it's good news, and we also saw the COVID-19 relief bill package moving in line, all right, and very soon the Americans will be receiving their first paychecks of unemployed, and as well as this will be a good news for the market. We saw Dow Jones Industrial Average soared to all-time high. We had forecasted for this to go up to the further upside. Looking ahead on this, guys, market is ready to soar higher, even though there are corrections coming in between, which is a minor corrections, but we're gonna see that this would be soaring all the way up. All right, if you could see that last year March also, you see in as it's around here, markets start to pick up, and we're gonna see the history has a tendency to repeat on its own. We're gonna see that even if you go back on if you go back previously as well, February, and if you go back here, April, we'll see that overall the market trend. But of course, somewhere in April we might see a bit of correction, but we're going to see this will be trending up to the upside. Some of the economists said the stock market can actually jump up as much as 10%, such as S&P 500 or Dow Jones Industrial Level. This is real, which is a good news for the market because everything is opening up, things are coming back, and inflation will boost. Right, as long as the interest rate remains low, we also have got a view on that. If the inflation pick up, then the interest rate will rise. However, we will monitor closely, but as for now, we could see that like you see that for Apple is also giving us a signal to make a reversals, and also, as well as many other stocks actually dropped on its way for a recovery. Okay. Then this week also we had many other news. Let me just give you an idea on what happened to cryptos. Crypto, we forecast that it's going to go up, heading to a 60,000, and it is actually already on its way. I believe the next week it is actually testing a very strong resistance level here. A matter of time, this level will be broken, and we're going to see a rally something like this. Okay, there is another leg expected to keep trending up. Right. Then on the other hand, guys, for gold we also have, well, it was stuck in a choppy structure, but like I said, like gold is giving us now a sell signal, and this could be a potentially going down. We had expectation for this to go up a little bit because we had an engulfing pattern appear, but for the next few days it went up. But then now I see that there is a bit of resistance here. Gold could actually fall back once again to these zones, right? It could fall back again, but again we also have got another support here, so probably it's going to come back and retest this support, and then we will know our direction later by next week. But for now, I see that on an intraday basis, if you want to sell this, it looks like a good opportunity to me because it has broken these levels. If you see that from here, so from here it could actually drop back to this zone, okay, and further decline all the way down. All right, any further updates we'll be posting we'll be posting it from time to time and keep you notified from it. We also saw Euro USD rebounded as according to our forecast. We had forecast on Euro USD that this will be trending up this week, and it did happen accordingly and exactly according to our forecast. Let me just pick up our chart on Euro USD, where we saw a recovery to the upside, and of course next week it could change the story, but for now I'm seeing that this was okay. Here you are. It went up, so now it is also stuck in between this resistance I'm talking about. Okay, this could be a potential possible likelihood that this could actually fall back. You see, this is a resistance. This is a resistance here on this pattern, and I'm see that this could actually fall back or no. We got to wait and see. I see that this could be a potential. It may not actually, because it broke this resistance. Now if it's the candles are going to close way below from this trend line, then it's going to fall back. We'll monitor closely and keep you updated from there. All right, so anyways guys, for now, and if you could see that from here, here also, I see that it's going to go down next week most likely, right? Probably we will monitor, because Friday we don't really trade much, but I would see that this could be potential pull up as well, because when I see it's currently in a choppy structure, it's a kind of confused pattern, but if you could see that from here on a H4 time frame, there you go, and possible pullback and then push up. See, so you can go down by 20-30 pips and then it might push up from there. Right, so anyways guys, it was another productive week. The week has came to an end. Home Depot also bounced up as we forecasted. Right, Microsoft should be going up as well, so on its way by next week should be reaching to these particular zones. All right, so for now, that's all for today and this week update. We'll be back again next week to bring you more updates. Until then, you all take care and have a great weekend ahead. I will see you guys soon. Thank you very much for listening, and bye bye.